Hey guys, it's me, Speed Project, and in this video I'm going to be doing another review, and in this review I'm going to be reviewing my Lego WALL-E. So here it is. I know it says WALL-E, that's just a little mistake, and also, just turn them on, you might hear my mum and dad in the background, but that's okay. Anyway, he is electric powered with power function, so you can see the motors, and here's the controller. Pretty cool. So we'll start by showing you how to on it and do the controls. Here's the controller. It's on channel 1, but you can do on to 4. But I don't have 4 things that connect to this, so yeah. And here are the things: forward, backward for the left, and forward, backward for the right. And then these. Here's the place where the light turns on. You might be able to see it. That little green light here. So to on it, you open this container up. Then you see this box, so you press that on, and then you get the green light. So once you push that, then you can start. Which is pretty cool. And you can make like WALL-E say hello. Cool. So it's pretty fun. Yeah, I'll just turn them off now. Anyways, let's just get to the review. His hands, I'll just start with his hands, have these 3 little flag pieces, and then they can rotate, go up and down, and then his hand can rotate because it has a ball joint, and they can go forward and backwards. Same with the other hand. And then the head has these 2 wires on the bottom, then the neck can extend up, and then the head is on a ball joint. And it has these big black eyes, which look pretty cute. And then the brown and then grey thing. And here you also have the neck. And up front this says solar charge. What does it say? Oh yeah, it says solar charge level in the thing. And it has some buttons and a red light, I guess. And around you have a grey rim around here. And some of that cheesy color around too. And in the back, you have the receiver here with the 2 gears here. I can't really show you, but because it's not on. But here the tracks. The tracks have this tread with this with these wheels which make it go. You see the system here. Same with the other side. You can see the back again. Oh gosh. And then here's the inside. If I take this out, I can't, but that's what the inside would just look like. This set came with, I'm pretty sure, 800 pieces. It took me like an hour to build. It's really fun to build, and I like how it looks a lot. So overall, it's a pretty good set, and I guess the video's done for today. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and like always, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.